Hey guys, you're watching Wraptor Customs. Welcome to another video, another week. We're at Wrapfest at Silverstone, October 2024. Behind me, we've got Chris Slick's lovely Alfa Romeo, and over here, we're about to see the reveal of Yiannimize. I think it's a Lamborghini Rivalto under the cover, and of course, there's going to be lots of other things and stuff. So stay tuned and enjoy the video, doesn't it? Yummy. Well, this one's definitely wrapped. Can't even see it.
So you got the tutu pink, got the red,
Yes.
purple,
Like.
and the grey.
Cool. All right, babe. You okay?
Yeah, man.
Not afraid of heights, are you?
No, I'm not.
Trembling. With us today we have Paul. Now you may recognise Paul from some of the older videos on our YouTube channel. Unfortunately he's been off for a while a little bit poorly, but now he's repaired and he's back. Lots of Kias at Silverstone for some reason. Yeah. Wrapfest baby. Wrapfest baby. Told you, I wasn't lying. So many B-52 references, you just have to look around a bit and use your imagination. Let's have a look around, shall we? Good. And now we have some stairs.
Yeah.
Any good at stairs, Alex? There we are, that's how it's done. Paul, you any good? Oh wow, look at that. Ethan, go for it. God, everyone's good at stairs today. I might have a go. Hey, I did it! I did it!
You have to be fit to come to this one.
There are many, many stairs. Yes.
Ah, the Wraptor.
Wrap Brothers!
Need to call him to do the song.
Oh, look what we have. I think this is the one that belongs to Chris Slicks. But I think they're borrowed and wrapped for the show or something like that. But that looks cool and fresh, doesn't it? Mmm, yummy. Tell you what, loving the bronze wheels. I like it. So it looks like later on in this video we're going to have an exciting reveal. Well, this one's definitely wrapped. Can't even see it. Okay. Okay. I've just seen something. That says Yanni on it there, you see. See, that says Yanni. This looks like a Rivalto, so I think it's probably his. Has he wrapped it? Has he wrapped it? Well, we'll find out in a bit. You stay tuned and find out in a bit. Is this Yiannimize Rivalto and has he wrapped it? I'm going to go yes and yes, but let me know your thoughts. Could be a Citroen C1, completely standard, owned by a staff member, couldn't it? You like it? That your cup of tea, is it, Alex? You like? You want it? You're going to make them an offer?
What?
You're going to make them an offer?
No. BMW.
It says 100 quid, it says there.
BMW is going to give problems.
You're going to give problems because it's a BMW. Okay. I don't know much about bikes. It's got wheels and handlebars and it looks kind of pretty. That's good then. All-in suspension, right.
It's a full M.
It's a what, sorry?
M.
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 Right. Is that good?
Yeah, it's like an M. You have the three BMW 3 Series and the M3.
Oh,
Same on the bikes.
so they do an M series on motorbikes as well as the cars? Oh, right. Oh, like satin blue calipers like on the cars.
Also racing bits, all the top bits for his bike.
Huh. The fuel tank looks really big. Is that normal?
Not big, it's just something.
It's just what? Oh, just that's the tank. So what's that bit then? Oh, right. Air filter and ECU. How about that? Another room, more things and stuff. And a lot more cars, yay! What's Ethan found? Anything interesting? See anything you like, mate? See anything you like? Yeah. So they're just doing a competition of, what's it called? World Rap Masters to see who's the best rapper. Obviously it's Snidey, right? He's the best rapper. Lots of different things and stuff to see from all the major rap suppliers such as 3M, Avery, Oracle, Metamark, Amari, Graffitip UK, Oracle, and more. So I've been told this is now a printable chrome wrap, so you can achieve pretty crazy stuff like that. And apparently, unlike most chrome films, this is a cast film, so it will go around the corners and stuff. Some crazy colours there. I'd like to try it. It is Chinese. It may be decent. Oh, and that's chrome printed matte. Yeah, that's some crazy stuff, what you can do now. Today we're networking with all the major wrap suppliers. Lots of them have got lots of fresh new products, new colours, new finishes, stuff that lasts longer, stuff that's easier to install. The wrap world is increasing and increasing in quality, and now wraps, paint protection films, tints, etc. are a real consideration to many. You say it's easy. Easy? Got this on camera as a witness here, or evidence I should say. Wrapping fuel tanks. No thanks, that's a horrible job. They're so 3D and you're starting with a 2D piece of material. I'm interested to see how well they do it. So here we have a new to me vinyl, and this is a vinyl you print on, so it can be a custom printed wrap or some custom livery for your race car or commercial vehicle. And basically I'm deliberately abusing this vinyl, right, stretching it beyond what you'd expect a vinyl to do. And do you know what, it stayed glossy, it didn't distort its pattern too much, and it stayed stuck down pretty well too. So overall, if you want a printed wrap, this vinyl is some good vinyl, and it's a nice little demonstration these guys set up today.
I'm not going on some deep dark channel, am I?
The deepest dark, no. We do a little weekly YouTube vid, and obviously today we're at Wrapfest, so we'll do a little Wrapfest vid for YouTube or whatever. Now at Wraptor we do a lot of wraps, but not so much paint protection film. So I come across these guys, Suntech. They had a trade stand here at Wrapfest, and they were giving demonstrations, in fact miniature training sessions, on how to install this super transparent, self-healing paint protection film on this McLaren wing. This is Graham, he's a trainer for Suntech, and he gives me a little training session on how to install it. So I give it a go, and it's absolutely brilliant film, nice and easy to install, albeit with the professional help from Graham. But I had a great little session, so thank you Suntech, and thank you Graham for that. Thank you Graham for your help today. Good bit of fun.
Thank you very much.
The Lamborghini Wraptor is a fresh new release. If you haven't seen one before, well, you're about to. Well,
Really?
did you expect that colour?
No, not at all.
Well, I admire it for being different.
If you tell me it's kind of a mauve colour, then yeah, I can accept that. But
Fuchsia. Fuchsia.
fuchsia.
I don't know, I'm just making it up. Did he announce the name of the colour?
I didn't hear
We'll
it.
try and find out. We'll try and find out what the colour's called. Nah, I like it. We don't want grey or black. We like it bright colours. And I like it. Well, I don't know about you guys, but that is not the colour I was expecting. Very different, a very bold choice. Now, I do manage to get a little chat with Yanni about this colour and some new special colours he's just released, partnering up with Avery Dennison. Check this out.
Good to meet you. Nice to meet you, man. You okay?
Yeah, great, thanks. Colour, wow. Bold choice, man.
So that is my actual vinyl. So I partnered up with Avery Dennison.
Ah.
So that is Yiannimize edition Supreme wrapping film. And I've got pink, purple, grey and red.
Nice.
So my daughter wanted me to have a pink car, so we've done a pink car.
And is it like, what's the name of this pink?
Tutu pink.
Tutu
You know, like
pink.
a tutu?
Yeah, I've got
Yeah.
them at home. No,
There's a video out tonight on Yiannimize YouTube channel, and you'll see my daughter reacting to it and her
nice.
coming up with the idea for the colour.
Check that one out, guys. That's brilliant. So, can like wrap installers like me, can we buy this film?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
It'll be available beginning of November from all suppliers. So yeah, there'll be 4 colours. There's actually, where's the? If you go to, no, here's one I made earlier.
All right, let's check it out.
So these are the 4 colours. So you got the tutu pink, got the red,
Yes.
purple,
Like,
and the grey.
cool.
So if you look at the,
You love grey.
You like the
I
grey.
like actual colour, you know.
and the thing is with red, you know what it's like. Trying to get a red that doesn't look orange is so
Yeah.
difficult. That is red.
Bright,
and
bright
that
red.
is what I wanted. It's a pure red. So it hasn't got the orange thing, and we've got the purple and it's sparkling. I wanted like this is spy grey. But it's like an anthracite grey.
yeah,
Which is
sure.
really, really cool.
So if
There
you're looking
is.
for a fresh new colour, maybe one of these, eh?
There it is. But I'll give you these.
Hey,
Cheers,
thank
guys.
you. Ethan's got some goodies. I love your bag, babe. It looks dazzling. Is it your favourite colour?
Yeah, it's just like a premium window tint.
It does look like a chameleon window tint, doesn't it? Maybe it is. Maybe they wrapped it in chameleon window tint. Right, home time. It's like summer. Look! Last blast of summer. Enjoy it. It may be the last day this year. What is this? Check it out. It's a shame that they've wrapped it and since then it's gone all rusty. That is quite a realistic looking film actually. Some people would pay to have that not look like that, and other people would pay to have it look like that. Yaris. Next, purple Beamer, very, very purple. Yellow lights. Another Beamer, black and yellow, black and yellow. Bit like our van, isn't it? Fans, you know what you're looking at. You know what you're looking at. Oh yes. Why does the number plate say yellow? It's not yellow. I think this is an Avery Dennison film. A satin flip colour. Man, look at the sun glaring off that. Look at the blue. It's like it sucked it from the sunny sky and put it on the bonnet. Be cool looking van. Ooh, have a... Well, they i8, aren't they? I think they are. What's that? It's an i8, isn't it? Is that right? It's wrapped in white with a shimmer of blue. It's quite interesting. Well, that's it from us. That's our visit to Wrapfest, October 2024. Thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this vid. Feel free to comment, like, share, and if you haven't already, please click subscribe and that bell button so you can stay up to date with us for lots of car content. Thanks for watching. I'm Dud, Wraptor Customs. Oh, and remember to tune in next Wednesday at midday. That's when the next video's out, making your hump day, middle of the week, a little bit less boring, hopefully.